Yesterday afternoon, a little after 4 p.m., when we were notified by the Rescue Coordination Center, local troopers at both Uniclede and Nome Post reached out to Bering Air as well as others in the area and began to coordinate closely with ground search teams and the Nome search and rescue organizations. To the families and loved ones of those that are missing, just know that we are using every available resource and working closely with the other teams, and every request that we've made for federal or state assistance has been granted, and we continue to move forward working with our partners. Thank you.
Saya Priska Clarissa. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.